Okay, so what we got here is a Volkswagen Caravelle 2020. This is installed with the StarLine M66v2 system. So the way it works is, if a thief copies or clones your key, they will not be able to drive the vehicle because they do not have the StarLine tag with them to be able to disable it. So, as you can see, the vehicle will not turn on, it's fully immobilized. What's going to happen is, the moment they try to start the vehicle, it will call you on your phone to let you know they've got in.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So it lets you know that they try to start the vehicle, and they obviously can't. So as you can see in the StarLine app, you can see it's gone red. So if I turn the system off using the tag provided, now the system is off. There you go. You can now start the vehicle up, and as you can see, it's not red on the app. You can control the system, so you can turn it on and off using the app remotely from anywhere. You can disable the vehicle, so even if someone has the tag and key, so if they hijack you, you can disable it and they will not be able to start the vehicle at all. And you got the service mode, so you can put the vehicle into service mode so anybody can drive it without the tags. And you got the tracker built in to track the vehicle. If you want this installed on your VW Caravelle, see the link down below. Thank you for watching, make a like and subscribe.